Right, Emma. So, we're talking about video content for affiliates today, and I truly think it's become, well, non-negotiable, hasn't it? Like, if you're not doing video, you're leaving so much on the table. I mean, honestly.
Oh, absolutely, James. It's funny because for so long affiliates have relied on like blog posts and, banner ads, which are still great, don't get me wrong. But video, it just hits differently, doesn't it? People really connect with faces and voices. It's that personal touch that's like so hard to replicate otherwise.
Exactly. It builds trust so much faster, doesn't it? You see someone explaining a product, demonstrating it. It's not just text telling you about features. It's a real person saying, look, this is why I genuinely think this is fantastic. And that's priceless for conversions, really. We're seeing, huge jumps for those who embrace it.
Yeah, and I think it also allows for so much more creativity. Like you can explain complex products so much easier, right? Instead of 100 bullet points, you show it. It's just a more engaging way to educate your audience, I think, for sure.
Okay, so someone's listening, they're like, right, I'm sold on video. But then they might think, oh my goodness, I need like a whole studio setup, expensive cameras. What would you say is the absolute bare minimum, James, to just, dip your toes in?
That's a brilliant question, Emma, because honestly, you probably already have it. Your smartphone. Modern smartphones, they shoot in 4K. The cameras are incredible. So first point, use your phone. Second point, good audio is probably more important than good video, believe it or not. So a decent lavalier mic, like you can get one for 20 quid, plugged straight into your phone, that's your starting kit, really.
Wow. So really just a phone and a little mic? That's way less intimidating than I think most people imagine. What about like lighting? Does that matter much at the beginning?
It does, but again, don't overthink it. Natural light is your best friend. Sit facing a window and you've got great, soft, free lighting. If you must, a cheap ring light, like, $30, $40, that'll do the trick. The thing is, well, the key is consistency and just starting. Don't wait for perfection because you'll never start, will you?
Now, for the actual content itself, Emma, a lot of affiliates, they worry they'll run out of ideas. But it's actually quite simple, isn't it? Think about what your audience, well, already asks you. Think about the products you already promote.
Oh, absolutely. Like how-to guides are huge, right? People are always looking for demonstrations. So if you're promoting, I don't know, a kitchen gadget, show how to use it. Or if it's software, record your screen and walk through the steps. That's super valuable.
Exactly. And don't forget reviews. In-depth product reviews, comparisons, product A versus product B videos, they perform incredibly well because people are actively searching for that sort of content. You know what I mean? They're already in a buying mindset. And, unboxing videos too, they're still very popular.
Yeah, and I think personal stories too. Like, here's how this product changed my life or my experience with X. People really resonate with authenticity, especially when it comes to, affiliate marketing. It builds that connection beyond just the product itself. Storytelling is key.
Totally agree. Show your personality. Don't be afraid to be yourself. That's what'll make your videos stand out in a sea of similar content, isn't it?
So we've got the video, we've shot it, edited it, made it look half decent. Where do we actually put it, James? Like, is it just YouTube, or are there other places affiliates should be thinking about?
Great question, Emma. YouTube is your primary hub, really. It's the second largest search engine globally, so, fantastic for discoverability. Optimize your titles, descriptions, tags, the usual SEO stuff. But don't stop there. Repurpose that content. Take snippets for Instagram Reels, for TikTok, even Facebook and LinkedIn if it's appropriate for your niche.
Oh, that's smart. So like take one long video and chop it up for all the short form platforms. So you're not doing like separate shoots for everything. That's a huge time saver, I imagine.
Absolutely. It's all about content efficiency, isn't it? You create one really good piece of long-form content, and then you slice and dice it. You can even embed your videos on your own blog posts, enhancing those existing articles. That way, you're getting more eyeballs on your content wherever your audience hangs out, maximizing your reach. It's really effective.
Okay, so we're putting out great video content. It's everywhere. How do we know if it's actually working, James?
What metrics should affiliates be looking at to gauge success?
Well, the obvious one is click-throughs on your affiliate links within the video description or pinned comments. But beyond that, look at watch time. Are people watching to the end? That tells you if your content is engaging. Also, comments and shares. They're engagement gold, aren't they? And of course, conversions directly attributed to your video content.
Right. So like if someone watches my review of a product and then clicks my link and buys it, that's a direct win. But watch time and comments also tell me if I'm actually building an audience that trusts me, which is like equally important for long-term success, I guess.
Precisely. And once you see what's working, what resonated, that's when you double down, create more of that type of content. Experiment with different formats, maybe live streams or Q&As. The key is to keep iterating, keep improving based on your data. Don't be afraid to test new things. That's how you really scale up your video efforts and ultimately your affiliate commissions. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but definitely worth it.
That's fantastic advice, James. It really breaks it down and makes it feel achievable. Thanks so much.
My pleasure, Emma. Always a pleasure.